Good morning, everyone. This is Frank Ochoa with your Mr. Top Step pre-market update along with Kathy Garber and Jack Bros. And I just wanted to give a few levels here for the ES so far. What I'm seeing in the ES is just we violated down below that 59 level. Obviously, 59 is the weekly pivot there. We held it yesterday and held it for much of the week until breaking down below it here just in the recent hour or so. The breakdown, we're now sitting on 1755, and we have that key 1750 level down below. That was kind of the break up point when we rallied back towards 1770s, but really we're still remaining within a larger range. In the 60-minute chart, you can just see 1735 up to 1775. It's just been a clear range in that zone, and right now I mentioned yesterday morning that between 68 and 75, it's just up there. There's no bids getting caught up there. It's only offers, a lot of selling up there. And yesterday we got as high as 68 half or 68 quarter, and of course the selling came right in. And now we're pushing back down below 59. So for right now, what I have on the downside, as long as we remain below that 59, I got primary targets that have already been reached today. 56.75 was the primary. 52 half would be the next level down. And then below that, I have an extended target at 48 quarter. So 52 half and 48 quarter would be the next two downside targets for the day. If we can break back above 59s and hold it, then on the upside, I'd be looking at 62.75 and 67 quarter. But for right now, I think 59 obviously the key pivot to watch, and I think we continue to build out within this range until we see an eventual breakout. I think right now we're this range, what we did last week, expanding it to the upside, expanding it to the downside here. I think it widened the range for better facilitation of trade. We could be in this range for a while, so we could be looking at swinging back and forth until an actual breakout from this range occurs. So that's what I'm looking for today. Here's some of the key levels: 50, 59, and also this level at 68. Now looking at crude oil. Crude oil is one that finally got the breakdown yesterday. I'd been talking about a channel for some time. You can see this larger channel right here, just been in play the entire time, and it all came to a head right here off the 95.40s. That was a big time level. If we could have gotten a break above that zone, it would have had a big time push up. Instead, we got a break down, and that was the same type of result. This lower line has been one that when you have a channel like this and you break that lower trend, you just get a big time meltdown. And right now we're starting to push up into prior support levels for a retest. And I think a retest between, call it 93.80 and 94, that could offer a sell opportunity for another round within the channel down toward the 89 to 90 zone. I still think that crude oil remains quite bearish. We're holding 93s. As a matter of fact, if you look at lower time frame chart here, 93.12 is the that's the prior pit close, 93.12s, and 93.12 has been holding as a pivot the entire day. So that's clearly a pivot to watch. We're still trying to push and probe higher, but overall, I think any pushback in gold and crude is likely going to see selling. And right now, I have for the primary downside targets on the day, I have 92.77 and 92.39. And on the upside, 93.70 and 94.09. So 93.70, 94.09. Once we get up into that 94 zone, 93.80, 94s, that could be a spot where the market begins to see some weakness. But at some point here, I expect the market to find some kind of top and then start headed down again. But we'll see how that comes, because after a big range day like we had yesterday, the tendency is for a quieter sideways to up range in the upcoming day, followed by continuation the day after. So we'll see how that plays out heading into the rest of the day. Good morning, good luck. Kathy, you're up.